The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Why did Tesla suddenly eliminate one-time FSD purchases to force everyone onto monthly subscriptions? Based on FSD digital monetization and the strategic shift to SaaS economics. What happens to Tesla's bottom line when legacy automakers completely stop buying its regulatory credits? Based on the risk of replacing high-margin regulatory greenhouse gas emission credit revenue. Can Tesla's software algorithms actually generate more profit than building and selling physical cars? Based on unbundling hardware and software margins. How does Tesla extract millions in hidden profits from cars that have already been sold for years? Based on deferred revenue recognition frameworks and over-the-air updates. Why is Elon Musk racing to install massive Megapacks at multi-billion-dollar AI computing hubs? Based on marketing stationary storage options directly to enterprise data center builders. How will Tesla convince everyday car owners to surrender their personal vehicles to a driverless rideshare pool? Based on the strategic question regarding payment and revenue-sharing models for private fleets. Why is Tesla quietly taking a massive 30% cut of every automated mile booked on its robotaxi app? Based on the high-margin autonomous ride-hailing network cut platform fee. How does Tesla's AutoBidder software quietly exploit wholesale electricity spikes for pure profit? Based on aggregating wholesale grid energy transactions via high-frequency automated software. Why is the battery pack still the single most dangerous bottleneck inside Tesla's cost structure? Based on the operational note that the battery pack represents the single largest cost layer on the balance sheet. How does a 30-day free trial turn everyday drivers into permanent, high-margin software subscribers? Based on cohort-based software conversion tracking and targeted in-app notification loops. Why is Tesla forcing non-Tesla electric vehicles to pay premium rates at its supercharger stations? Based on infrastructure utilization economics and the supercharger network open ecosystem. How do thousands of home backup batteries work together to siphon cash away from traditional power grids? Based on virtual power plant software commissions and grouping residential networks. What happens to Tesla's stock value if its massive industrial energy segment outpaces car manufacturing? Based on whether wholesale energy trading fees via AutoBidder will outpace battery hardware margins. How does Tesla use dynamic off-peak pricing to manipulate when drivers charge their cars? Based on utilizing discounted charging fees during low-demand night hours. What secret financial flywheel uses upfront car sales to fund massive AI supercomputers? Based on ecosystem capital compounding where hardware sales fund machine learning compute blocks. Pillar 8, Revenue Streams. Tesla's financial architecture captures value across multiple industries, creating a diversified monetization model driven by hardware sales, utility-scale storage deployments, and high-margin software services. As you examine the Sankey diagram above, look at how the revenue flows are balanced. While automotive sales make up the largest chunk of historical cash inflows, notice how energy storage and vehicle services contribute to gross profits. Pay close attention to the cost breakdown on the upper right. The battery pack represents the single largest cost layer, which explains why managing mineral access is so financially critical. 8 case studies and revenue streams. 1. Direct automotive vehicle transactions, capitalizes on high-volume manufacturing of the Model 3 and Model Y, alongside premium models, Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck, capturing upfront sales revenue directly from buyers without third-party retail markups. 2. Full self-driving, FSD, digital monetization, generates high-margin recurring cash flows via upfront software packages or monthly subscription tiers, e.g., $99 per month, extracting software utility value from existing vehicle hardware. 3. Utility-scale energy storage sales. Secures large-scale enterprise contracts for Megapack and Megablock systems, delivering megawatts of storage capacity to power grids and large data networks at competitive industrial prices. 4. The supercharger network open ecosystem operates as a scalable infrastructure utility. By opening its fast-charging network to non-Tesla electric vehicles via the North American Charging Standard (NACS), Tesla turns public charging into a steady stream of energy dispensing profits. 5. Regulatory greenhouse gas (GHG) emission credits. Monetizes environmental compliance values by selling zero-emission vehicle credits directly to traditional auto companies that fail to meet government fleet emission rules. 6. Virtual Power Plant (VPP) software commissions, earns a technology platform fee by grouping residential Powerwall networks together to stabilize regional energy grids, retaining a slice of the utility payout before distributing earnings to homeowners. 7. Autonomous ride-hailing network cut, captures a high-margin platform fee, typically projected between 20% to 30%, from every automated mile booked on the native robotaxi app network, driving revenue without driver payroll costs. 8. In warranty and out-of-warranty vehicle services, generates continuous secondary cash flows through body parts sales, collision repairs, mobile technician visits, and used vehicle trade-in turnarounds. For open-ended strategic questions. How can Tesla replace its high-margin regulatory emission credit revenue as traditional legacy car companies gradually increase their own electric vehicle output? What pricing adjustments are needed for full self-driving subscriptions to maximize user signups without reducing the perceived value of the upfront purchase? To what degree will wholesale energy trading fees via the Autobidder platform outpace the hardware profit margins of building the underlying Megapack batteries? What payment and revenue sharing models will best incentivize private vehicle owners to add their personal cars to the shared driverless rideshare pool? For foundational explanations. Unbundling hardware and software margins. Shipping a physical vehicle yields standard manufacturing profits, but enabling advanced software features on that same car unlocks high gross margins because the code costs almost nothing to duplicate. Infrastructure utilization economics. Every non-Tesla vehicle utilizing a supercharger station increases the asset utilization rate of that location, shortening the payback period for the initial construction costs. Deferred revenue recognition frameworks. Cash received for software upgrades like FSD is held on the balance sheet as deferred revenue, then recognized as official income over time as over-the-air updates deliver new features to drivers. Ecosystem capital compounding. Upfront automotive sales generate the foundational cash flows needed to fund heavy machine learning compute blocks, which in turn improves autonomous software value, driving future subscription sales. For strategic implementation plans. Introduce flexible software tiering, launch customized, lower-cost digital subscriptions focusing on specific driving needs, like standalone highway autopilot packages or advanced automated parking. Scale industrial energy projects globally. Prioritize Megapack manufacturing capacity allocations to regions with volatile energy grids and high peak electricity prices to capture premium enterprise margins. Launch bundled clean energy subscriptions. Offer unified monthly consumer packages combining flat-rate supercharging access with residential solar monitoring and home battery backup protection. Expand app merchant systems for autonomous fleets, roll out integrated digital checkouts and in-ride infotainment upgrades within the Robotaxi app to monetize passenger transit times. For core implementation processes. Recognizing deferred software cash flows. Tracking real-world fleet feature milestones to safely transition deferred balance sheet items into active operating revenue. Processing automated supercharger invoicing, running instant billing loops that read vehicle IDs at plug-in, calculate energy delivered, and charge the user's linked mobile wallet without manual entry. Aggregating wholesale grid energy transactions, executing high-frequency automated energy sales via software algorithms during peak pricing spikes on the regional power grid. Splitting shared ride-hailing revenues, calculating and transferring per-mile earnings split calculations between private fleet owners and Tesla's network platforms. For actionable recommendations. Tie software to user profiles to protect resale value. Allow owners to transfer premium software features to their next vehicle purchase, which encourages brand retention and stabilizes used market pricing. Market stationary storage options to AI computing hubs. Pitch large-scale battery systems directly to enterprise data center builders to guard their processing installations against power grid dips. Standardize dynamic off-peak charging rates. Use discounted charging fees during low-demand night hours to distribute grid strain and attract price-sensitive drivers. Provide turnkey fleet operations for commercial cargo. Sell unified transport packages containing the heavy truck hardware, charging hub builds, and predictive tracking tools under single enterprise accounts. For urgent to-do items. Adjust monthly software subscription rates in international markets to remain competitive against localized driver assist alternatives. Audit the processing speed and billing accuracy of non-Tesla vehicles using the updated fast charging infrastructure network. Update financial tracking templates to clearly separate recurring digital software revenue from physical asset manufacturing sales. Secure long-term energy distribution and trading licenses across new regional markets ahead of expanding home virtual power plant networks. For practical analytical techniques. Cohort-based software conversion tracking, measuring the exact percentage of new vehicle buyers who transition from free software trials into paid long-term subscriptions. Levelized cost of energy, LCOE, matching, calculating real-world energy storage costs against volatile wholesale pricing grids to find the sweet spot for maximizing battery discharge profits. Asset utilization capacity modeling, tracking daily charging volumes across different geographic locations to optimize future infrastructure building budgets. ARPU, average revenue per user, expansion modeling, analyzing total combined spending across individual customer accounts spanning vehicle parts, charging fees, and digital upgrades. For concrete operational steps. 1. Filter the global CRM database to isolate all vehicle owners whose complimentary 30-day full self-driving trial expired within the last 2 weeks. 2. Extract the calculated driver safety data for each user to identify those who maintained high safety ratings throughout the trial run. 3. Deliver a targeted in-app notification offering a localized monthly subscription option directly to those high-safety users. 4. Measure the trial-to-paid conversion percentage over the next 30 days to evaluate the return on targeted digital outreach. Ready to see how the world's most aggressive tech ecosystem turns physical hardware into an endless software money machine? If this deep dive into Tesla's multi-industry financial engine reshaped how you look at corporate scaling, please take a brief moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming strategic analysis videos. Head straight to the links in the description below right now to download your free study materials and handouts to map out these exact revenue structures for yourself. While you are down there, click through to claim immediate access to our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials for an exclusive look at how deferred software cash flows are shifted into operating revenue. Do you have any fellow content creators, tech investors, or finance-minded friends who need a masterclass in modern SaaS and infrastructure monetization? Don't hesitate to share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.